Welcome to Rohit 3D Asset. How to simulate cloth in Autodesk Maya. Create a plane and increase the edges on the plane. Select and apply, create nCloth on plane. Adjust the setting in Attribute Editor.
See light and darkness.
Select and apply, Passive Collider on the pipeline. Adjust the setting in Attribute Editor. Now, click on Play icon.